Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the date from Excel in Microsoft Excel. In the spreadsheet on my screen, I'm going to enter some additional data into column C. I want to enter 5/6 or 5/6. Problem is when I press enter, it changes it to the 6th of May. It thinks 5/6 is May 6th. So I need to tell it that this is not a date. So I'm going to right click on this cell, go to Format Cells, and choose text or number. Doesn't really matter, I just don't want it to be a date. But when I click OK, now it says 41,400 because it's taken that date value and converted it into a number. So I'm just going to press delete on my keyboard and type 5/6 again and press enter. And now it retains it as regular text. My name is Bree Clark, I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to remove the date from a cell in Microsoft Excel.